With Frontend Post Submission feature, you can allow users to submit new posts directly from the front end of your site. By using custom fields, you can capture specific data from the form and create posts automatically. This guide will help you understand and implement Frontend Post Submission in Contact Form 7. Navigate to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search essential add-ons for Contact Form 7, install and activate the plugin. Navigate to the Contact Form 7 menu, Essential Add-ons. From the Features tab, make sure the Frontend Post Submission is enabled. Navigate to any existing form or create a new one. Add the preferred tags where you want to display them in your form. After clicking any of the tags, a configuration pop-up will appear. Here you can configure field type, field name, class attribute, and ID attribute. Click the Insert Tag button once the configuration is done. The customized tag will be added to your form editing panel. Scroll down to Essential Add-ons Additional Settings and navigate to Post Submission tab. Enable Post Submission to configure post submission settings. From Post Submission option, select the post type, post status, and comment status. You can also configure post field mapping and post custom field option. Copy the shortcode and paste it inside any page or post to display Frontend Post Submission in Contact Form 7. Now users can submit a custom post, which will be directly stored in your WordPress website.